In this video, I'm going to be showing you how and why crypto funds still make money during bear markets and why they're actually making us, how they're actually making us over $10,000 to $30,000 every single month, working a few hours per week. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Ken, and I am the founder of Crypto Fund Launch. And in this channel, we teach you how to start a crypto fund because it is one of the simplest business models right now to start in crypto and start producing cash flow within 90 days. And also, I have my own venture capital fund, and we raised over 7 figures this bear market, and we have produced over $200,000 in revenue with fees. So I'm super excited to teach this in this channel, and I'm gonna make this video very quick and tell you how these funds are still making money during bear markets, because we have helped a few students over the past few months, and a lot of them, pretty much all of them, are now making between $10,000 to $30,000 per month, working a few hours per week with their funds. It's because they fulfill two huge demand in the crypto space. And a crypto fund isn't anything new. However, it's very underutilized in this market because essentially the big boys are taking all the pie. These billion-dollar funds are what's eating up all the pie, and these little funds don't want to compete, and they don't know how to compete. So anyone that starts a crypto fund correctly and they start it inside this bear market, they have an advantage because nobody else is doing it. And that's why I believe that starting this business model right now is one of the best places to start as a side hustle in crypto if you are not making money right now. Now, as I said before, you fulfill two huge demand in the crypto space. The first demand is that a certain percentage of investors in the crypto space right now still want to invest early in projects, right? These are people who have excess cash, who took profits during the 2021 bull market, even the 2022 bull market, because there was still some cash flow running around in 2022, and even there's people trading right now in 2023 in this bear market, and they're still producing income. And now they realize, okay, I have this money. Where should I put it to build more of my cash flow and my assets? So there is those percentage of investors, and usually it's still in the millions. Like, there's millions of investors that have money and are always looking to invest in projects. These are people who played the market fairly smart and didn't FOMO and cashed out, took profits, didn't hold it all the way to zero or hold it all the way to the crash. But these are people that are playing smart. A crypto fund fulfills a need because they have access to crypto projects, early startups that these investors want to invest in. So it fulfills that huge demand. And there will always be investors no matter what, no matter how bad the market is. If one of the biggest coins in crypto goes to zero, which we've seen multiple times, if it does another one, there will still be investors looking to invest, because there's always that mindset of people that believe that whenever a down market happens or a recession or a bear market happens, it's a discount, it's a super sale. And that's exactly how I think, and that's exactly how everyone should think in crypto. However, we're all human, and there's got to be a balance where people don't see it as that, and there's people that see it as a discount. And I believe those people that see bear markets and recessions as an opportunity are the ones that ultimately win and make a lot more money in the bull market. So there's always that percentage of investors, and you as a fund fulfills a huge need, fulfills that gap. Because if you could provide that service for them, like, hey, I have projects, early stage projects, do you want in? They're automatically going to say yes. It sells itself. There's no need for you to convince an investor, hey, you should have invested in a bear market. You simply put it out. It's the same thing like as if you were starting a great company. You know your product is great, or you know your service is great. You know what you're building is great. And really, all you need to do is show it to those people, and you show it to the right people, and they will automatically say yes, or it will be very, very easy for them to say yes. You're simply just catering to a hungry market. A second huge demand that a crypto fund fulfills, and that's why it still makes money even during bad markets, is that every single day in crypto, there are literally hundreds of crypto projects, crypto companies, tech companies starting. And it will just continue to grow. If you take, for example, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, these are essentially networks, and these are essentially categories and sub-markets in and of itself. And within those categories, within each network or sub-market, there is more projects underneath that. There's projects being built on top of those layers. So every time a new, let's say, ecosystem starts, more entrepreneurs want to take that opportunity to build and be early on in those ecosystem and networks. Because if you like starting businesses, every day is an opportunity. Bear markets, recessions, they're an opportunity to build something for the next couple of years because they know they will, or they believe that they will see a return. However, in the crypto space, since we're building tech, since we're building software, it's not the same as a service-based business where if it's a service-based business, you can start it and you don't really need starting capital. With a tech company, if you're developing a new technology, if you're developing something new, if you want to be the first mover's advantage, you need a bit of capital to hire a team, to pay for servers, all the good stuff, all the softwares that needed to create that tech. And it requires oftentimes a lot of capital. And so every single day, there's hundreds of projects starting out early and they need capital to build their technology. And who do they look for? They look for crypto funds or they look for people with money. In this case, crypto funds usually have a better connection with people that have money. And yes, sure, in a bear market, people are less likely to invest. People that do want to invest, they don't invest as much compared to a bull market. But if you take right now, people that are investing in this bear market, imagine how much more they invest in bull markets. Because during bull markets, the buying power, everyone's buying power just increases by tenfold. Just think of the time in the 2021 bull market where it was so easy for you to throw 5K, 10K on a new project because it was very easy to make money. However, in a bear market, you are a little bit conservative. But even if you have $10,000, throwing $500 to $1,000 for a new investment that seems solid and that has the fundamentals of a great project, those investors will gladly do that. And so going back again, a crypto fund fulfills that huge demand of these crypto projects needing capital, because when these crypto projects have this capital from these investors, they put them together, and essentially that fund is the middleman. It helps investors, it helps early stage startup companies. Everyone gets what they need, everyone gets paid ultimately in the long run. But for a crypto fund, it could be immediately or it could be also in the long run. And so those are really the two main reasons why crypto funds are still making money during this bear market. And that's the main reason why when we started our crypto fund around 7 or 8 months ago, we made around $40,000 to $50,000 in revenue. And with the other people that we've helped these past couple of months, they're now making around $10,000 to $30,000 per month. And if you want to learn more about how to start this type of business model or side hustle, click subscribe in this channel. Click the like button, comment below if you have any concerns or questions about this. At the very top of the description, we actually have a free training as well on how to start a crypto fund, secrets to it. Like I said, my name is Ken, founder of Crypto Fund Launch. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you later.